Picture of it. Oh yeah, that picture there. I just been goddamn it running around, but goddamn I have some business for you, boy. I have some business for you. I hit you, goddamn. Oh man, I'm ducked off in the mountains right now. You know what I mean? Never that flat land. Somewhere in Atlanta.
If you can, hit the like button for Snow tapping in.
That's the house we saw.
Right there. Must have been.
It's like a
Gazebo.
a big one.
Yeah, we can take a break right there.
But you know what? It don't smell like poop in there.
No, it don't.
You heard me? Woo. You heard me?
Huh?
The park don't smell like poop in there, like they just leave they poop in.
No, they make me pick that shit up nowadays.
Yeah.
Yeah, but them folks got cameras and everything. You leave that shit, folk gonna be on you.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a good little walk.
Well, we ain't near covered none of them motherfuckers. We ain't covered none, John. Climb up.
Oh, shit.
Had to break a sweat.
Mm-hmm.
You should make you sweat.
Yeah, you be going all fast.
No, it's actually hot.
You be going all fast.
Better believe it, baby. Fucking we ball.
Fucking we ball. When they leave, I'm gonna take a pee-pee. Hot ain't it, boo?
Yeah. Hey, appreciate that, J Ware. JC Ware. Yes, indeed.
No, they ain't fishing. We can't look.
No, that'll be the one to fish in. Fun like that.
I like to fish and throw the fish back in. I don't like taking it with me. Number 3.
Hey, you know about that.
Let's stop that.
Everybody with goddamn right mind, they know about the need way. We can keep on trucking though.
I want to wait till they move so I can.
It's the need way, baby.
Right here. Well, no. Pop.
Nah, I ain't do it for a minute. I'll be back in a couple hours though. Oh man, you doing pretty good, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for asking. Romeo, goddamn, John, you don't fuck with me no more. Back up, boy, I hit you. Real Snow 007. Period. At all. Derek was hanging. Appreciate that love, Nardo. Rocky so famous was hanging. Boom. Christopher. Taylor. Yes, indeed, man. You know I fuck with Miami. Florida. You gotta come down there and get me one of them don'ts. Oh man, one of my folk who just was starting doing them, man. She was just starting, you know what I mean? But she did a good job, goddamn it, good enough for me, man, you know what I mean? I wasn't trying to look perfect. Hey man, appreciate that love, man. That real love, Jared. Straight up. That's what you call real love, man. Yes, indeed. That part 3 out too, man, you know what I mean? It's going all the way down. Hey. Oh, spot him. Here, yeah, hey, got your message. Pensacola, yes, indeed, man. Them wicks, the shit, man, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I had to go to court today, got them having some business. You know what I mean? That's why I got on, you know what I mean, attire. Block balling was in Panama City, stand up. Place.
Like I want to give you a handshake.
Yeah, cause they looking at muggy at the same. No, nobody don't know me way like her, period. I ain't even worried about seeing nobody I know. Hell nah.
One of them youngins probably did, the ones that left first.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get back to the car now. You know what I mean? Before it get dark. You could be in Ku Klux Klan. Yeah, you could be in Ku Klux Klan territory, John. Yes, indeed. Yeah, man, I just want to try somewhere new. You know what I mean? Get out there one time, see the sights. Same old shit, get bored. Same old shit, get bored, man. Tie my shoe right quick. So if I had to end up breaking on these folk, I can already be ready. Shit. See where we at? In the middle of nowhere. Ain't no nothing for miles. Niggas just walking on trails. Some of that shit in the movie. What? That rain? That right? Yeah. Straight up. I remember them ponds back then. We was playing in the creek. You late day, but what? We played in the creek. Love the good creek.
Now your foot might fall off.
Mm-hmm.
Can't even play. Can't do shit no
fucking friends, you know, kick it. But I ain't know they motherfuckers. You know, the business. Paulding County ain't nothing to play with.
Welcome you. Oh, it's hot shit.
Oakland City Tay, my motherfucking brother. You already know. My fishing buddy, New Era. Damn. Yeah, it was just drizzling a little bit over here, but it don't stop. The bitch probably yet to come.